Hi. So, monitoring your laptop's battery health is essential for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring longevity. Now, there are two effective methods, to assess your laptop's battery health. One of the methods is using your built-in battery report tool in Windows. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's going to work um, whichever Windows you're using. So, for the first way, all you have to do is you press the window key on your keyboard. Now, note, if you're a Mac user, this video is not for you. I'm sorry. So you press your Windows key on your keyboard, then you type command prompt. Now, before you finish typing, it is obviously going to show you your command prompt option. So all you have to do is what you right click on it and you run as administrator. Now it's going to show you this prompt asking you if it should allow this app to make changes to your device. So obviously you're going to say yes. So I click on yes. Now it's going to show you this command prompt window. So here is where you're going to type the command to show you your battery's health state. So all you have to do now is to what? You type power CFG space dash battery report. Then you press your enter key. So now it has generated informations about your battery and is showing you the part where it's been saved. So as you can see, battery life report saved to file path, your C drive. So all you have to do is what you copy this file path. Then you press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard to copy the file path. Then you go to your Explorer window. Then you click on your address bar. Then you Ctrl V or right click and paste. So you've pasted the battery's health report file path. So you click enter or you press enter rather on your keyboard. So it's going to bring you here straight away. So it's going to open the file. Now you can also locate the file manually where it's been saved. So to locate the file manually, you go to your C drive, you go to Windows, then you search for System 32. So this is it. Then you search for battery report. This is it. Then you can double click and it's going to open, obviously. So now it's giving you information about your system or your laptop, and the one we're concerned with is your battery. So you scroll down to this option where you have installed batteries. Now if you have a laptop that has more than one battery, so obviously it's going to show you the numbers of battery that you're having. But as for me, my laptop uses just one battery for now. So information about each currently installed battery. So you have the name of your battery, you have the manufacturer, you have the serial number of the battery, the chemistry of your battery, lithium ion, you have the design capacity, you have the full charge capacity. Now to the best of my knowledge, the full charge capacity here is the current charge capacity that your battery can hold. You understand? So the design capacity is the capacity your battery can hold, the amount of power it can hold when it was designed originally. Do you understand? But the full charge capacity is the capacity it can hold currently at that point in time you're checking the health of your battery. So that is that. And also it's going to show you the recent usage, for the past 3 days. It's going to give you informations about when you charged, when your battery was discharging. It's going to give you that log, for you to know how your battery has been performing, your usage history, while charging and discharging as well. So the dates are included, the full charge capacity are included, the battery life estimates, you can also see that as well. So this is one of the ways, you can check your battery's health. Now, if your battery has been, is been degrading, or, is fairly good, not as good as when it was manufactured, your full charge capacity is going to be the one that will be dropping. So what I mean is, the design capacity is 42,920. Now, if my battery health is or has degraded significantly, I'm going to have maybe something like 20,000 plus MWH in terms of its capacity. So my full charge capacity will be the one that will be dropping, not the designed capacity. You understand? So that's one of the ways you can know or see the health of your laptop's battery. So the second way is with the use of a simple software. I call it a tool. It's a very simple software. So I'm going to leave the link to the software in the description below. So the second way you can use is by coming to this site and you download the simple tool. Just scroll down until you find download BatteryInfoView. Now, if your laptop is 32 bits based, you can download this. But as for me, I'm using a 64-bit based architecture, so I'm downloading BatteryInfoView. So you click on this, and I'll save this to my desktop for the sake of this tutorial. So it's being saved to my desktop now, so I'll go to my desktop. I'll extract to my desktop, extract here. So this is the extracted folder. You open it and you double click on the battery info view. Now it's going to show this, it's going to bring this. Now here you can see information about your battery name, the manufacturer name of your battery, the manufacturer. So most times some batteries might not release some certain informations, because as you can see, even the temperature of the battery here is not showing. So it depends on your battery manufacturer if they are willing to disclose such informations to you. So now you can see the current capacity in percent. So you can see the power state charging, as I'm making this video, I'm also charging. So that's why you're seeing charging AC power. If the laptop was not plugged in, you won't see charging or AC power. So now the current capacity is 98.5%. You understand? So the current capacity value is 44,000. The full charge capacity is 45, while the design capacity is 42,000. So my battery is still very much new. So I'm having 105%. So this to tell you the battery is still pretty much in good health. So it's going to show you the voltage, the chemistry of the battery, if it's a lithium ion or a polymer battery. So it's going to show you the number of charge or discharge cycles. So like I said, some battery manufacturers will not show you certain information about your battery. So these are the two effective ways by which you can check. This software is very much accurate, and you can compare it to the built-in tool in your Windows, which is the first method I showed us. So these are the two effective ways by which you can check your battery's health. Now, why is it important to check your battery's health? It's very important so you know when to change or plan to change your battery. So it helps you to know that, okay, if you're on battery and you're doing something important, you have it at the back of your mind that you need to, be cautious of what you're doing at that point in time, so your battery won't die on you. And there's another way, in case you're buying a used laptop or a fairly used laptop, even if you're buying a new laptop, for instance, and you didn't get it yourself, these are informations you need to know, as to know if the battery have been replaced or whatever. So it's just for you to have more information about your laptop. So if this video helped you in any way, please like, share, subscribe if you like content like this, so YouTube can notify you whenever I drop amazing educative videos like this. See you in my next video.